First things first, fixing a leaking roof is potentially hazardous. But with proper work practices, a roofing repair can be a safe project. Always work with an assistant. Avoid falls by never working on a wet, snowy, or icy roof. Remove debris such as twigs, pine cones, leaves, and moss. Wear soft-soled boots. Use a personal fall arrest system to slow and stop your fall off the side of the roof. Or use a fixed fall restraint system to prevent yourself from reaching the unprotected edge of the roof. Consult the comprehensive OSHA publication Protecting Roofing Workers for the full range of safety recommendations to keep you safe while sealing your leaking roof. I'll leave a link in the description. Use all other personal protective devices, such as hearing and eye protection, gloves, and a breathing mask. With that being said, if you're inclined to fix it yourself, here are 9 proven leak repair tips. You need to figure out what type of roofing system your building currently has so that you will know what material will be needed to fix it. For example, EPDM or rubber roofs, supplies for roof repairs, such as flashing, seam tape, and glue, usually must be purchased from a roofing contractor rather than just a home improvement store. So the first tip is to find out what type of roofing system you have in place. Look for the source of your leak from inside the building. The water may have run along your roof through the leak and pooled in a different spot, meaning the leak may not be the spot that has the most water. Take a few measurements of the area where you suspect a leak relative to nearby walls. Now it's time to get on the roof. With the measurements you made from the interior, begin looking for the leak on the roof. If no damage is apparent, look for any damage to the roof membrane near any flashing or vents on the roof. Roof vents can include attic fans, turbines, plumbing soil stack pipes and any element with metal flashing that extends above the roof line. If you have to use a ladder to access the roof, make sure it is securely positioned on the ground. If your roof is too high or you feel unsafe, or if you simply cannot find the leak, you may need to call a roofing professional. Your roof may have debris that can obstruct your work, or which can cause further damage. Carefully remove any foreign objects from the area near the roof leak before starting work. You'll also be able to determine if your roof was damaged in a storm or if it is simply facing age-related wear and tear. Flat roofs are prone to ponding, so be sure to dry the area you intend to repair before you begin to work on it. If you repair a hole and trap moisture underneath your patch, you could cause mold to grow under your roof. If large amounts of water are already running in between layers of your roof, you may need professional assistance. Look for any blisters on your roof, which can indicate that water or air has seeped between the different layers of your roof. You will also want to check for cracks or alligatoring, which usually indicates long-term sun damage. The type of damage you have will determine which repair method is most appropriate. And as always, in cases of severe damage, it's best to call a professional. If your roof leak is due to a blister, carefully cut through the damaged membrane and remove any moisture that may be present. You'll need to cut away all damaged layers of your roof membrane, but be careful to not damage the roofing felt underneath. Peel back the layers of the membrane you cut, and apply roofing cement to the leak, and to the entire section of the roof underneath the membranes you cut away. This will plug it and will also provide an adhesive for the flaps of the membrane to stick to. Press the membrane flaps to the cement to reseal the cut. Once you lay down the flaps of the blister, nail them to the roof to fully secure them in place and to seal the leak. Make sure you won't be nailing any wires underneath or any other sensitive infrastructure. Cover the nails with more roofing cement to seal any holes you may create. It can be very tricky to find the actual source of a roof leak. So if you don't feel like taking these steps yourself, you could contact a professional roofing company that specializes in flat roofs. They should be able to assess your flat roof and provide you with a free estimate running down all your options to repair the stubborn roof leak. Well, and there you have it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the channel in 2 weeks as I will be doing another video for the Versus series, comparing modified bitumen and PVC roofing systems. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, for more videos like this one. And thanks again for watching, I'll see you in 2 weeks. Take care.